welcome to York TV, all of you who live and work at 7500 York. Today is Thursday, August 13, and I am Kathy Lindquist, one of your board of directors. I was reading this week a story in a magazine all about difficult questions children ask, and two of them were, why is the sky blue and why is the grass green? I thought maybe you'd be interested in the answer to those. Have you ever wondered exactly how we see color? It starts when light enters our eyes and reaches the retina in the back of the eye. There, tiny cells called cones react to different kinds of light. Some respond best to red, some to green, some to blue. Then our brain takes all these signals and turns them into the colors we see every day. So why does the sky look blue? Sunlight may look white, but it is actually made up of many colors. When sunlight reaches the Earth's atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths scatter more easily. Blue light scatters more than colors like red or yellow, which is why blue seems to come from all over the sky. Around sunset or sunrise, the light travels through more atmosphere, so more of the blue gets scattered away, and we see warmer colors like orange, pink, and red. And grass? Most grass looks green because it contains chlorophyll, the pigment plants uses to help make food from sunlight. Chlorophyll absorbs a lot of the red and blue light from the sun, but it reflects green light. The green light bounces back to our eyes, and that's why grass looks green to us. So, the colors we see are really light, our eyes, and our brain all working together. We have 3 announcements from management today. The South Garage floor cleaning. We got all cars out but one. Thanks to everyone for making the sacrifice and getting your car out. It is appreciated. The water remediation efforts. Service restoration will be on site and continue to take moisture readings and will continue to work on removing equipment. For units with impacted flooring that must be replaced, Michael will be working with service restoration and with the cooperative's vendors to work through that process. Please know this may take a bit of time to work out, but Michael is working as quickly as possible and will be in communication with you about flooring and options. All right. A fun announcement we have been waiting for quite a while. Fob pickup September 3rd outside the fitness center. Be prepared to pick up your new fob Thursday, September 3 on 2nd floor outside the fitness center. The schedule is as follows. 1st and 2nd floor, 9 to 10 a.m. 3rd and 4th floor, 10 to 11 a.m. 5th and 6th floor, 11 to 12 p.m. 7th and 8th floor, 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. And 9th floor, 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I don't know why 9th floor has an extra half hour. Here's what to expect. Please bring your e-key. This is the key that gives you access to the main building. This will be traded in to get your fob. Come with a smile. Your photo will be taken to be placed in a new keyless entry system database, providing an extra layer of security. That photo will stay with security. It will not get out to anyone else. You will be given a fob policy at pickup. Now, if you cannot make your floors time, it is preferred you come on Friday, September 4th to receive your fob. If the 4th does not work for you, you may join another floor scheduled time on the 3rd. Friday, September 4th will be reserved for final pickups, troubleshooting, and questions. If you cannot make the 3rd or the 4th, please email Jake in the office. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the office. That will be fun. It will be great to get that. I think if you pick it up on the 3rd, you should probably try it out and see if you have any problems with it. Then come on the 4th and someone will help you figure out how it works. All right. Today is Thursday, August 13th. At 8 o'clock, there was cardio with Kathy in the CAC. 9:15, stretch and strength in the CAC. 9:30, ladies social on the balcony. 10:30, chair yoga in the CAC. 1:30, Scrabble in the balcony. And 2 p.m., the knitters in the hobby room. Okay. Coming up on Friday, there's piano practice, or Saturday, 9:30 to 12 piano practice in the CAC on Saturday. And on Sunday, there is a buffet from 11 to 2. Brunch. If you have not put in your reservations for the brunch, you should do that as soon as you can. Next week, I would suggest that everybody read their calendar because Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there are so many things that are happening here. Tuesday, 7:30, thoughts about amateur photography in the CAC. On Wednesday, new resident building tour in the lobby. If you have never taken that tour, I would suggest you do it. My brother and I did when we first came to York, 7500 York, and it was really fun to find all of the little nooks and crannies and things that we did not know about the building. Wednesday at 2, the management meeting in the CAC, and at 5 o'clock, dinner for residents ages 75 to 89 in the fireside room. All right. And then on Thursday, the 20th, 9:45, miniature golf outing. At 11:30, alterations. Be sure you sign up in the book by the office. And 7 o'clock, crisis to hope. The future of public broadcasting and Twin Cities PBS. Should be very interesting because I have wondered about that as well. Okay. Now, the York Room. Tonight, August 13th, fettuccine pasta in a wild mushroom ragu, topped with ricotta and herbs, served with garlic toast. Gluten-free pasta available. Wow, that sounds really great. Now, the brunch on Sunday, August 16. Here is the menu for that. Fruit, bacon, sausage, pancakes, vegetable egg bake, chicken marsala, roasted potatoes, vegetables, and assorted desserts. All right, so there are some things for us to remember. Remember the buffet that on Sunday that you need to make reservations for. Remember and put this on your calendar today. The fob pickup is Thursday, September 3. And I'm sure there will be a list again of the times and which floor. And remember to look for some colors today. How about the beautiful coral pinks, the deepest of Caribbean turquoise blues, a shimmer of chartreuse green running through smoothly into the bright golden yellow. There's glitter, barely though, clinging tightly to colors, just enough to add a glimmer of sparkle and light, reflected by the ever-moving hues intermingling with each other. As you go for a walk today, be sure and stop by and see all of the beautiful plants and flowers in both of the East and West gardens. And you might want to stop and ask one of the flowers, what color are you really? So, have a very colorful day.